Hey, what's going on everybody? Carlos here once again from Premier Cuts, and we have a clipper that has been highly requested. I mean, seriously, this might be one of the most requested clippers for me to take a look at. We're gonna do the unboxing today, and let's just see what's in the box and get first impressions overall. So we're talking about the Kemei model KM1971 trimmer. I know a lot of people have seen this guy on the internet, on Instagram, on other people's pages, and I was sent this by the people from Kemei, so it's not gonna change my opinion of what I think. But yeah, they sent it out to me, asked me if I want to take a look, so that is what we're doing today. So let's just open this box up and get this video started. All right, I'll leave that right there. Come on. There we are. Oh, that's a nice little presentation. Okay, take this out. Before we get to this, let's see if there's anything in the box itself. Put this aside real quick. So we get our USB-C. This is really an improvement. I like that. USB-C is a much more reliable and much more powerful charging cord. So this is really good. Really like that. And it's gonna have some guards, but guys, I never use them. I never test them because I just don't like these guards. But if it works for you, great. But for me, I'm just not a fan of using these little trimmers with, like if it's a actual full-size clipper. Now this will help you in a pinch if you're trying to, you know, bring down your mustache or just maintain your beard. Give me 1 second. Just got a phone call from my boy Vic. All right. Gives you a little comb. I'll use it for my beard. I didn't even comb my beard today. All right. And then we got ourselves a little manual. Tells you exactly model number, information you want to take a look at. Now it is a USB, like I said, you saw USB-C. So again, another feature that I highly like, because this can be international. You know, you're not worried about a certain voltage or something like that if you're overseas or something, because everybody has the USB. That's just universal, so that's really good. All right, having this is really good as a charging. The only thing that happens with this is that this cable is probably not long enough that if it starts running out of battery and you want to connect this and still use it on somebody, or maybe even yourself, you're gonna have to probably get a longer cable. But for the most part, you shouldn't have that issue, but it is something to consider. All right, moving all this aside. Let's get all this down and out of the way. This is a lot smaller than I actually envisioned. Let's get this out of the wrapper. So I'm very curious to see if this blade is any good. I gotta be honest, I don't have high hopes for it. Obviously, I know that there are mods that you can do to this guy. The thing is that I know a lot of my subscribers aren't really about doing those mods, yet there's another section of my subscribers that definitely want to do those mods. So, you know, depending on how hard or how easy it is, you know, maybe in a later video we'll talk about it, but I'm not sure. But for right now, this is what it looks like. It's a very simple and clean machine. I mean, it is very small and thin. It's like a little cylinder. Here's a USB-C port that you're gonna use to charge. I believe this is your power port, and it is. When it's on, you should see the blue light, feeling the power. Hold on, in fact, here's the sound test for you guys. Okay. These aren't very zero gapped as they come, so when I try the blade, I will have to try to zero gap these. And I don't know, I like the look. The power feels pretty solid. Like, they're not really cutting. It's really not cutting much. Yeah, it's really not. The way they comes right now, out of the box, they're not cutting sharp at all. They're not hitting or nothing. But so many people have said that these can be real good hitters. So that I am very interested in. I like the gold blade. My thing with this is, you know, do we get replacement blades? And if so, where? So this is not a metal. Is this? Wait. I don't think this is a metal cutting blade. All that will come in a follow-up video, so you guys know the routine. This is the unboxing of the Kemei 1971 trimmer. Looks good. I like the ergonomics, and it's not a slippery machine, so that is very good. You know what they needed to do though, is come out with a little stand. That would have been nice. Just having this guy right here in a stand would have been really, really useful. I don't see why they can't come up with that. But links to this will be down in the description. Guys, follow me on Instagram. You'll get some behind the scenes stuff of me using this in between videos, you know. Ask your questions over there. I am so happy with the amount of support you guys have been giving me. It means the world to me. We are moving along, tracking along. We just passed 3,000 subscribers, which is pretty awesome. And we're just gonna continue to build from there. Guys, I got plenty more unboxing. In fact, here's a sneak peek of something that will be coming down the pipeline. I have to cover my address. But this guy right here, some of you guys have seen it on Instagram. Let's just say it is a newer version of a clipper that I really, really like. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for that video. Guys, until next time, I will see you around. Later.